Hello, fellow musicians, my friends, Sunolins. Those of you who love Suno, I don't know if you heard the announcement. There's a new feature in Personas that allows you to separate the vocals from the style. I'll show you how it works. For example, there's a track here. I like the guy's voice. It sounds gravelly and smoky. Let's play a little bit of it.
Be bold in the Lord, child, be bold.
So I like his voice. It's very smoky. Let's say I wanted to build a persona of this. I would click on the three dots right over there after I identify my song, and I'll go to create and make persona. Let's hit make persona. And before you do anything else, this sneaky little button on the left, make sure you toggle it off public. Otherwise, your persona would be in my possession. Don't do that. Okay, let's listen.
Big victory, right?
So this is meant to section out the stem for the vocal, but you want the driest part of the vocal you can get without any background influence.
Right, it come to be.
As you create your persona, it is extremely important that you section out the vocal such that there's no background vocals along with it. You want the lead vocal. You don't want any reverb. You don't want any, messy sound in the background. So make sure you listen to it as you're auditing it before you hit save. Once you've saved your persona, the next step, as you can see me carrying out here, is to get the lyrics and also the style. So I'm going to craft a style by going over to philc.net. I'm going to put in a brand new style for this persona. So the persona is Texas Ted. Those are the lyrics. But then we are going to craft a new style. And I'm going to choose something that is quite polar, different than what that voice typically would be used for. That voice is usually either a bluesy rock or a country kind of voice. But instead, I'm going to use a neo soul style. So we're going over to philc.net. Right under the AI music tools, I have a bunch of tools there for subscribers. So if you are not a subscriber, smash that subscribe button and feel free to use these tools. These tools have helped a lot of my subscribers make really nice songs. So I'm going to choose some parameters from here under Neo Soul, and we are going to cook up this persona with this new crafted style. And I'm just going to leave it as is, leave all the buttons as is. Maybe I'll just take style influence down a tad. And we're just going to name it Texas TED Test. And without much ado, we're going to hit create, but make sure you are using version 5 to prompt for your song. If you're using version 4.5, the results may not be ideal. Just be aware. This works best when you're consistently using version 5. Well, let's check out the jam.
Checking out the system. Checking out the tool.
Okay.
Do these personas really work? Or
That's
are
the
they
voice.
breaking the rules? Son, don't talk to me. Talk to me now. Show me what you got. I bet I'll like it a lot. Checking out the system.
That's ridiculous.
Checking out the tool. Do these personas really work? Or are they breaking the rules?
Both.
So don't talk to me. Talk to me now. Show me what you got. I bet I like it a lot.
That's
Checking
wild.
out the system. Checking out the tool. Do these personas really work?
I gotta
Or
play
are they
something on this.
breaking the rules? So don't talk to me. Yeah. Talk to me now. Hey. Show me what you got. I bet I like it a lot. Checking out the system, checking out the tool. Do these personas really work, or are they breaking the rules? Son, talk to me now. Show me what you got. I bet I like it a lot. Checking out the system, checking out the tool. Do these personas really work, or are they breaking the rules? So talk to me now. Show me what you got. I bet I like it a
it. Seems like it worked.
Checking out the system, checking out the tool. Do these personas really work, or are they breaking the rules?
I think both.
Talk to me now. Show me what you got. I bet I like it a lot.
Yes, sir. Crazy. That was crazy. Okay, my friends. I think that's the end of our experiment because that just shows that it works. It works. And I'm really excited that Suno have done this. For those of you who had tons of tracks that you wish you had a better voice on, and for the longest time, you're never really able to separate the vocal from the style. So you would try the persona and then it will put in that same old style. It just sounded quite odd and it would never work. But now we have a solution that is tested and tried. Now, I'll just give you my 2 cents. If you make the mistake of trying to create a persona from a from a real old version of Suno, I've discovered it may not work as seamlessly as trying to create your persona from a version 5 song. In the same token, if you're trying to use your persona on a version 4.5 song, I'm not sure how well that would work because it failed in my initial test before I recorded this one, right? I'd already gone 20 minutes in and I noticed, oh, it's not working very well. So let's try this again. I'll say Texas TED version 4.5. Let's see if version 4.5 will work as good. Let's see. So we still are trying to preserve that neo soul feel, but we're using a version 4.5. I don't know if it'll work this time. Let's try it out. That's not neo soul. At least. It sounds a bit funny.
Checking out the system, checking out the tool. Do these personas really work? Are they breaking the rules?
So, I mean, that's a totally different vibe from this. Oh, from this.
Checking out the system.
Yeah, that's a different voice. So if you're trying to do this in 4.5, you may not get good results. Here's the second one. What is that? That's weird.
Checking out the system,
Okay.
checking out the tool.
So that sounds like it got the voice right, but the inconsistency with version 4.5, I want to say you can probably expect it. It's a toss up because the last time I did it, both tracks, not just two, I did like four iterations, and they were all worthless, to be honest. They were all really bad. Like if you scroll down here, you can see I had done other persona tests with a different persona I tried to create. Didn't work well. Didn't work well. So just be aware for best results, I would recommend using a version 5 track to prompt for your persona. And I would also recommend creating a version 5 song. Okay? I hope this gave you some insights as to how it all works because just watching the video once that Suno has, you might miss some of the tiny little nuances of how to use that version 5. And also, don't forget, put it in private. Otherwise, I'll get your personas. And so will everyone else. Just kidding. I don't take people's personas. I have more than enough. I have more than enough personas to keep me busy. I have some real killer personas, to be honest. Like over here, like if I was to choose personas, you can see I've got an assortment of personas and they're all pretty crazy. They're really good. I've got personas for various genres that I love to create in and have fun with it. As far as whether it can use your own voice as a persona, not yet. They did mention they're working on that. That's coming. Audemy is able to clone your voice, but again, what I've noticed with Audemy is it still boils down to the good singing. You can have a great voice and have pathetic singing, and the overall results will be pathetic. So the singing input, the control, the breath control, the notes, the pitch, timbre, all that stuff have to be in place. Otherwise, you can have the best voice, but if the singing is crummy, you're going to have a crummy result in Audemy. That's what I've noticed. All right, my friends. Let me know what you think about these new features. Drop me a comment. Happy creating.